how to delete chat in Google Chat. So if you want to delete chat in Google Chat, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Google Chat application. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Now once you're on your Google Chat, you need to just open up the chat in which you would like to delete. Now in my case, I have this one. Now if you want to delete the chat or delete the message, you need to tap and hold on to that message for a few seconds, and then you will have an option to delete, which will be on the bottom. Or what you can do is just simply go back and then tap and hold on to that chat for a few seconds, and you will get all of these options. And as you can see that you will have an option of a delete or hide conversation, or just open the chat and then go with the three dots which is on the top right. But if you try to delete this way, then it will delete only for you and not for the other person. So in order to delete from the other person as well, you need to just tap on the name of that person which is on the top. And now you need to scroll down and then go with delete conversation, which is on the bottom. Tap on it and then go with delete. And that's it. In this way, you'll be able to delete the chat in Google Chat. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.